Would you like to learn? Mastering the passive voice with would in present tense. Hello and welcome, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about using would in the present passive tense. This structure might seem complex, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Let's dive in. The passive voice is a way of expressing an action where the focus is on the action rather than who or what is performing the action. In the passive voice, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. For example, the cake is being eaten by John is a passive sentence, where the focus is on the cake being eaten, not on John. Would is a modal verb used to express possibility, prediction, request, or willingness in English. For instance, we use would to talk about hypothetical situations. I would go to the party if I had a car. When we combine would with the passive voice, we usually talk about hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or future. The structure is subject plus would plus be plus past participle. For instance, the work would be done by John if he had more time. This sentence implies a hypothetical situation where John would complete the work if he had more time. Let's practice with a few more examples. 1. The match would be won by our team if we scored another goal. 2. If it were sunny, the picnic would be enjoyed by everyone. 3. The movie would be seen by us if we had the time. Remember, each of these sentences expresses an unreal or hypothetical situation in the present or future. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using would in the present passive. Keep practicing with different sentences, and soon it would be mastered by you. As always, remember, practice makes perfect. Until our next lesson, happy learning.